All right. My name is Shadrach, and I am the assistant lead analyst of Coder Life Deals. I'll be taking this morning's session, day 13 of our trading challenge. Now, let me share my screen. All right. Let's start with gold, XAUUSD. Let's see what XAUUSD are for us. Well, it has been on an uptrend for about 3 weeks now or so. So 3 weeks now. And currently it's at the all-time high it's created few times back. Let's check from the 4 hours, the 4 hour time frame. Honestly, as long as price hasn't broken below this low here, all I am still seeing around this whole place is buys. Yeah, there are short-time sales for you to sell and all, but as long as it hasn't broken below this place, you should be seeing more of buys. You should be seeing more of buys. For you to confirm your sell properly, you should see price break below this low here. Then you can start taking entries for buy. It's currently at the all-time high. And this is what you should be expecting from gold. This is the 1 hour time frame. Now, if price, as you can see, price, even when price got here, it rejected the first time. And another thing gold respects is scaling in entry. That's what we call it. Scaling in entry. Once price has rejected from an area strongly and gold comes back, price comes back to that place on gold, there's a 50 to 70% chance that gold will reject from that area again. There's a high probability that gold will reject from that area again. And currently, price has got into that area again, and it has even started rejecting. Now, if price, as price has gotten here, if price doesn't respect it like this, if price doesn't come down like this, then should you be expecting price to create a new all-time high by breaking above like this. Sorry. Then should you be expecting price to break above like this. If price fails to sell from this area currently, from this all-time high, if price fails to sell from this area and keeps buying, then you should see gold create new all-time highs. You should see gold create new all-time highs. Now, let's see if we can see probably an entry now. Let's go down to the smaller time frames. Okay. Yeah, we should still wait for price to break below this place before you say, okay, it is currently respecting this area that we marked in the 1 hour time frame. And that's that for gold. Let's see. The next online, US oil. Let's check out US oil. What does US oil have for us? Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. I think I said something like this earlier this week that Honestly, I expect US oil to come down to this level here, to this area here, before pushing up price all the way to the upside to this area here. I'm still expecting price to come down here to this area here. But if price fails to come down to that area, then we should just see price going all the way to the upside to keep buying. But for now, we should keep basking in the buys because US oil is indicating more of the buys right now, still indicating more of the buys. Apart from that, let's see. Okay, we could probably see a sell from this area here. But to know to confirm that, let's switch this to line charts. Was there a proper break of structure with body? Let's see. Yes, there was a break of structure to the downside around this area here. So right, we should still expect price to come above to this level here, then sell from there. If price fails to respect this area here, let's look at candle. If price fails to respect this area here, then we should be expecting more buys. Should be expecting more buys. But let's mark it like this, come down like this, sells. If it doesn't respect that area, then we should just be seeing more buys from there. That's pretty much it for US oil.
Man, tenderness. I'm doing
Please
something.
mute yourself, for crying out loud. Mute yourself, please. There's even a feature to mute everybody. I think that's better. Oops, I didn't even know about that. I like this new feature as well. Crying out loud. All right. Sorry for the interruption. Where did I stop? Okay, for the sales for US oil, you're expecting sales from this area. Once price gets to this area, then you can probably be setting up a sell for here. But for me, this trade is not really an A plus trade, but I will still say there's still a 60% probability it sells from there. Why? Because that's met all the criteria for a sell in this region. The reason why it is not really a high probability setup is because it didn't really break structure to the downside properly the way I want. Do you get that? Apart from that, that's pretty much it. For GBPJPY, yes. Can you see that? I'm expecting a sell from this area here. But let's go to the 4 hours first, the 4 hour time frame. Let's see what it has in store for us. Yes, I marked it. Here is a break of structure here. And this is a low market needs to clear off. Yeah, because that's indicated some kind of downtrend here and it is consolidating around this area. If price breaks below this area here, then we should see a lot of dump on GBPJPY. You see a lot of dump on GBPJPY. Now, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay. Okay. Not really seeing much on GBPJPY, but probably there can be a short-term sell from here. Let's say short-term sell of probably over 100 pips, probably. If markets respect this area properly, then we should still see a dump of 100 pips before market can say it wants to keep buying. Because currently, GBP has not really decided on where it wants to go to until it break this low here. Do you get me? But if you go to the lower time frames, you can adjust your entries. Do you get that? You can adjust your entries. But apart from that, I'm not really seeing much on GBPJPY. Let's go to GBUSD. Yes, I've been expecting the buys. I've been anticipating the buys for a while now, and it has been buying, buying, buying. Let's go to the power buy. Market did what? From this area here. Market has been respecting this area here. Why? Because markets cleared out the entries here, cleared out this liquidity, then activated an entry right below this place and started buying. And currently, we should still be expecting price to at least reach this level here. At least if it hasn't done anything, should at least still clear out this high. Then you can start saying, okay, you can start seeing GPUSD after clearing this high. Then you can start seeing sales, or you should just keep buying all the way from that place. Now, the reason why I took the reason why I took these short sales here was because there was a there was a rejection, a strong rejection area, like a resistance. Yeah, the market had to at least respect a little before continue on the uptrend. I knew it was going to buy, but I just did a little scalp around there. And I marked this area for a buy, and market has been respecting it since. Well, let's go to the 15-minute time frame to see if we can find an entry. Yes, I think I'm seeing an entry. Yes. This is an entry that has been respected before. Sorry. This is an entry that has been respected before. This is an entry that has been respected before and it's still respecting it. Let's see. Um, yes. So we can just take once price can break above this level here. Once price can break above this level here, then we can find an entry for buys because this O buy happening here is in response to this area here. So we should still be expecting more buys on GBPUSD. Should still be expecting more buys. Once it breaks above this level here, then you should be expecting more buys. If it doesn't, it probably keep consolidating and comes back to this previous entry here and then buy again. The next pair, let's go to the next pair quickly. US 30, US 30. US 30, for a while now, I've stayed away from it because it has been doing some kind of wonders lately. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Ever since it has been respecting that all-time high, it has just been consolidating. I really don't like US 30 anytime it's consolidating. It's always undecisive. And that's what I'm saying. Can you see what's all this? Just consolidating. But in between that consolidation, there's no how there won't be entry. Let's go to the 45 minutes time frame. Yes, look at this. There was even an entry. Look at this level here. This is a low that has to be respected. Why? Because there are orders here that needs to be cleared out, liquidity around this area that needs to be cleared out. And it's currently respecting that area. So yes, you should be seeing more sales. Look at this from this area here. If it is to respect this area, if it doesn't respect it, then you should just see it break this all-time high and then keep buying from the all-time high. Well, as long as this place gets respected, then you should be seeing more sales. Once price can come back to this level, you should be seeing more sales. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So recap of everything we've done so far. Gold, we should be seeing sales from that high. Should be seeing sales from this high here. And look at it, it is even selling. But if you want to properly scale into this, You should see it break below this place, like I said. Break below this place, then you can take your entry. Yes. And if it doesn't respect the cells and it breaks above, then you should be saying it's create a new all-time high. And then you should know your way around that. You know your way around that. If you want to get an entry, a specific entry, just come join our signal room, what we call trades. We give you the SL and the entry points, exactly the entry points, and we all take it together. And then for US oil, I said that we should be saying itself on this area, but like I said, it's not really an A plus setup like that. So let's just see how it unfolds. But you should see itself on that area at least. If it doesn't sell all the way down, at least there should be a reaction from this area because this is a zone that markets will probably respect. And I'm not predicting it. I am only saying this that once market gets to that area, it should only react to what it does to that place. You should not predict. Don't predict it. And for GPP, JPY, I'm not really sure about the whole thing. There was no definite entry from there, but at least I said if it gets here, there should be a reaction from this area, probably 50 to 100 pips. GBP USD, more buys. You should be expecting more buys. If it breaks above this area, then you should see more buys. US 30, it is currently respecting this area, but once it gets to this area here, then you should see some sales from that area. So that's pretty much it for day 13. And yeah, if you want to get the specific entries, come join our signal room. All you just have to do is follow the instructions and you get added for free. Don't worry, it's for free. It's for free. There are expert traders who call trades like banks, myself, and Aurelio. We are three who call trades in the signal room and we make sure to give A plus setups. And yes, apart from all that, you should know that not all you don't know what's going to happen in the market. It is all probability. Yeah, there is a system in which you take your trades. Yes, there's a system to that, but always know that it's all probability. All probability. Moment you can understand that is the moment you become profitable in the market. So that will be all that for today's session. Thank you for joining. To join the signal room, send me a DM, or you check if you're on the Telegram group, there are instructions in which you can join the signal room for free. There are instructions there. All you just have to do is follow the instruction. Thank you so much. So that'll be all for this morning. Thank you. If you want to join, if you're on WhatsApp and you're not on Telegram, all you just have to do is follow the instructions we normally send because we always make sure to send the instructions. Just follow the instructions and you get added. That'll be all for this morning. Thank you for joining in. Stay safe. And that will be all for this morning. Thank you for joining.